to help Pa. Thank you for my Nammy helping my grandpa. The end.
You tell Nammy you miss her?
I miss you, Nammy.
You gonna say anything, Binky boy?
Hi, Nammy. Hi, Mommy.
What about Pa?
Hi, Pa. Hi, Andrews. Hi, Uncle Brad. Hi,
Yes.
Cole. Hi, Mommy. Hi, nobody. Now let's close the gate. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Are you gonna say anything, Cole?
Happy birthday to you.
Say something.
Happy birthday to you.
Take the Binky out of your mouth. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Nammy.
Hi, Lulu.
Coley, say hi to Papa.
Ba, ba, ba.
Hi, Papa.
Hi, Lulu. Ba,
Say hi, Nammy. Say hi to Nammy.
Yes. Hi, Lulu. No. Hi, Lulu.
She's not with Lulu.
No. No, I'm just saying happy birthday to you.